I wanted to share with you guys this sewing machine that I was gifted by the company and I'm super excited about. I got it today and I couldn't wait to unbox it and start to use it. It comes in this really great packaging. I think it's super cute and it's packed really well so nothing came broken or misplaced. Everything was packaged nicely. The material itself is like a really nice thick plastic that it doesn't feel flimsy. It feels very like high end and expensive and well made. Again, everything was packaged really nice. The pedal came in its own separate packaging so it didn't get crushed or ruined or anything. And then the machine itself is in styrofoam, so you know that it's going to come and not be broken. I'm super happy with it. I just set it up today. I will tomorrow go ahead and make something with it and show that as well. It comes with all of these stitches, all of these different bobbins and different feet to switch out depending on what you're working on. So everything is included that you would need to just get started. It even comes threaded down on the bottom. The bottom bobbin on the bottom is threaded already, which is a nice thing to not have to like do if you just want to get going with a project. Again, it comes with everything that you need to just go ahead and start making something. I love how cute all of these different stitches are, and I can't wait to experiment with them and put them on different things for my kids as well as myself. I'm super excited, and again, I'll do another video tomorrow and post it.